this last video discussing the OBBBA and its provisions and changes, we're going to talk about a section of the code applicable to those who run their own businesses, specifically what is known as the Section 199A Qualified Business Income Deduction, or simply QBI. Section 199A starts with a basic rule. A taxpayer other than a corporation may deduct 20% of qualified business income with respect to the qualified trade or business, subject to a limitation based on 20% of taxable income less net capital gains. Now, this is the very basic starting point for a complex set of rules and calculations that whoever wrote the law probably doesn't even fully understand themselves. But essentially, for people who own and operate certain types of businesses, a 20% deduction of the income from that business is potentially available to them. Where does the OBBBA come in here? Well, the QBI concept was introduced by the 2017 Tax Cuts and Jobs Act. It was set to expire in 2025. The OBBBA made this deduction permanent. Again, we'll caveat that permanent here means it's there until another administration decides to change it. And the OBBBA also made a couple small changes to the concept. First, like several IRS deductions, there are some limitations that come in based on income range levels, with more caps and limitations applied at higher income levels. The OBBBA expanded these income ranges, $25,000 more for single and $50,000 more for married filing jointly, effectively meaning that the transition from a full benefit to a limited or no benefit is spread out over a wider income band, so that's good news. Secondly, a new minimum deduction of $400 is available for taxpayers with QBI of at least $1,000 from active trades or businesses. Active here means you materially participate in the business. While neither of these changes is huge, they both have the effect of expanding access to the QBI deduction for taxpayers who own and operate their own businesses. It's possible then that a taxpayer who was not able to take any QBI deduction in 2025 might be able to take at least a partial deduction in 2026, even with unchanged facts and circumstances and income levels. Thanks for joining me once again. Like this video and subscribe to the Market Moment channel if you found this information helpful. Peace out, guys.